Hey guys, Matt from Makita here. Today I'm going to take you through our new 18 volt blowers, DUB185 and DUB186. The DUB185 and 186 replace the recently discontinued DUB182 and 183. DUB185 features a short nozzle, perfect for clearing workbenches and cleaning up around job sites, whilst the DUB186 features a longer nozzle, making it perfect for use outdoors, clearing pathways and other hard surfaces. The DUB185 features air velocities of up to 353 kilometers an hour, perfect for effective cleanup, whilst the DUB186 produces 245 kilometers an hour of max air velocity for easy clearing through the longer clearing nozzle. Both blowers feature 3-stage speed control and a variable speed trigger, giving the user full control, allowing them to switch between the low, medium and high speed settings. The DUB185 also has the ability to be used as a vacuum. To use as a vacuum, remove the blower nozzle from the air outlet and click it into the air intake, attaching the vacuum bag where the nozzle previously sat. The vacuum bag is available as an optional accessory. Both blowers weigh 2.1 kilograms with a battery and can achieve up to 130 minutes runtime when used with a 5 amp hour battery, making them perfect for all-day use around the job site and outdoors. So these are our new 18 volt blowers, DUB185 and DUB186. For more information, head to our website.